Okay, polar graphs are just another way of graphing, where instead of focusing on rectangular coordinates, like you're used to, we focus on circles. So the easiest way to graph these is to work with the angle first, and then figure out a radius. You kind of work backwards. So with A, I think you work right to left this time. First, deal with the angle. So first, let's go with 300 degrees. We know 300 degrees goes to the fourth quadrant, approximately in that area. And then our radius, so 2, go with our radius is 3. So we would count out 1, 2, 3. And that would be our point A. So the way the coordinates work, R is the radius of the circle, and then the second number is your angle, your theta. So for example, with B, start with negative 45 degrees. So remember, negative means you go down. We still have 0 on the right, so we're going to go down about 45 degrees, approximately on that line. And then the radius is 2, so we'll go out 1 circle, 2 circles. And that would be point B. For the third one, so it looks a little funny, it's 3, that's the radius, and then 0 degrees. So 0 degrees is on that 0 degree line, then the actual point will just be out 1, 2, 3. So you don't have to draw the line of the angle, that's just for me to show you kind of where we're going with these points. This last one, and this gets a little tricky when we have a negative in the radius. First starts the same, so we know we're going to 225 degrees, which is the third quadrant. That 45 degree line, the third quadrant, but since it's a negative 2, we're going to go the opposite direction. So we're going to go up into the first quadrant, 1, 2. So still on that 225 degree if you extend that line in the opposite direction when you have a negative. And that's it for graphing polar coins. So just find your angle first, and then you count out your radius.